My name is Chirag and I'm from the first year CSPS and my topic is about LED shoes with the cooling and the distance measure. Introduction: LED shoes are in a built-in cooler and distance measuring capabilities would be a unique and innovative product. The LED lights could be provide stylish illumination, while the cooler feature could keep your feet comfortable. To measure the distance, you might need a sensor like accelerometer or GPS modules integrated into a shoes. Such product would likely require advanced technology and engineering to develop. First, cooler, adding a cooling system to shoes, which is unusual and might not be practical due to the limited space in footwear. Cooling measures are more commonly found in clothing for athletic purpose. Distance measuring: the shoes with distance measuring capability are not standard product. However, there are wearable fitness device or apps that can measure your steps and calculate distance walked or run. These are typically worn on the wrist and clipped to clothing. Improved visibility on the dark. Many LED shoes are designed to be visible in the dark due to the LED lights. You should consider the shoes with extra bright LEDs or reflective material to enhance visibility. This is the diagram of the LED shoes. The advantage: style and visibility. LED lights in the shoes enhance your style and make you more visible in a low light conditions, which can improve the safety during nighttime activities. And second one, temperature control. The control feature can help regulate foot temperature, ensure comfort during the extended wear, especially in hot weather. And distance measuring: tracking your steps and distance traveled can be useful for fitness enthusiasts or those monitoring daily activity levels. Disadvantage is cost. LED shoes with advanced feature tend to be more expensive than the traditional footwear, uh, making them less accessible in some consumer. Durability: the additional components required for cooling and distance measuring can be make the shoes more complex and potentially less durable. Malfunction or damage to these components may render the shoe unusable. Battery life: the LED cooling fans and distance measuring sensor all require power, which can drain the shoe battery quickly. This means you may need charge or replace the battery frequently. Thank you.